So for this example, we are given function f and g up in the directions. What we need to do is calculate a value of a composition function. So we need to take g of 4, whatever that is, and we need to plug that into function f. But we can calculate g of 4. G of 4 is what we get when we take 4 and plug that into function g. So that would be equal to 7 minus 4, or 3. So g of 4 is equal to 3. So if we go back to that original function then, what we have is we have f of g of 4. And we know g of 4 is equal to 3. So we can take the answer to that first calculation and plug that into function f. So the last thing we need to do then is calculate f of 3, which means we need to take 3 and plug that into function f. So this would be 2 to the third power and 2 to the third power, that's equal to 8. So f of g of 4, what we were asked to calculate, that is equal to 8. Let's do one more of those. Let's do g of f of 2. So what we need to do is we need to take f of 2 and we need to put that into all of the variables in function g. But we can calculate f of 2. We just need to take 2 and plug that in for x here in function f. So this would be 2 and then plugging in our 2 to the second power. So f of 2 is 2 to the second power, which is equal to 4. So f of 2, we know, is equal to 4. So in this original function, I can put 4 where that f of 2 is. So we're going to calculate g of f of 2, but we know that f of 2 is 4. So we just need to calculate g of 4 to get to our final answer. So we would take 4, and we would plug that in for x in the original problem. The original was 7 minus x, so we're going to do 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. So g of f of 2 is equal to 3.